Dear business owner, do you need a bankable business plan that will attract potential investors but you don't know how to go about it? This universal business plan template is all what you need to write the perfect business plan that can get you your desired business loan or grant. With this template, you'll be able to write a professional business plan yourself within an hour rather than spend days researching on what to write. This same plan has been used by over 100 business owners to secure their business funding. Imagine the stress, money and time that it takes to hire a very good professional, but you won't need to go through that stress again. The good thing about it is that it can be used for all businesses. It doesn't matter your business sector. This template contains executive summary, company overview, product and service description, market analysis, marketing plan, operational plan, organizational and management plan, SWOT analysis, 3 years financial projection in Excel format showing the cash flow, profit and loss, cost and sales forecast, plus other projections. No accounting knowledge required. All what you just have to do is buy and edit to suit your business purpose. This is going for just a token today. Order now before the price goes up in 24 hours.